Did you know that one 18-degree angle separates world-class sprinters from everyone else? In 1995, biomechanics researchers made a shocking discovery that changed everything we thought we knew about running fast. They found that elite sprinters maintain their ankle at exactly 18 degrees of dorsiflexion during ground contact. Meanwhile, recreational runners were hitting over 30 degrees, following the classic toe-up coaching advice. This tiny difference creates 40% more elastic energy return with every step. For decades, coaches have been teaching athletes to destroy their own speed. The problem is most people physically cannot hold 18 degrees. It requires specific tibialis anterior muscle adaptations that take months of targeted training to develop. But here's the mind-blowing part. This single measurement predicts 100 meter times with 94% accuracy, more reliable than height, weight, or even muscle fiber type. One angle that reveals everything about sprint potential.